Hi, it's Carol from Carol's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook tomato fried egg the Chinese style. Let's start with boiling a pot of water. While waiting for the water to boil, prepare 2 large fresh tomatoes. Gently make an X on the bottom of each tomato with a knife. Place both the tomatoes into the boiling water for about 3 minutes. This is one of the ways to easily peel a skin off a tomato. When it's ready, you can see the skin is peeling off from the tomato, and you can now place it in a bowl of cold water. Now you can easily peel off the skin of the tomatoes. By skinning the tomatoes, it will help to produce more juice when cooking later. Now cut all the tomatoes into small slices. Our next main ingredients will be 4 large eggs. This recipe can serve up to 3 persons depending on the size of your serving. Now beat the eggs with a fork or a pair of chopsticks just until the egg whites and yolks are blended. We just need a slightly beaten egg. It's cooking time now. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok or a pan. Make sure the oil is hot enough before you pour in the beaten eggs. If the oil is hot enough, you will see that the eggs will spread and cook nicely without sticking on the wok. Gently flip the eggs and let it cook till slightly brown and dry. Once done, dish it out and set it aside. Remain on medium heat. Add in all the cut tomatoes into the wok. Slightly press the tomato using the spatula so that you can get more juice out from the tomatoes. Remember to choose ripened tomatoes, which will yield more juice when you cook. How do you choose your tomatoes? Juicier tomatoes are denser, while unripe tomatoes feel a little too light. Now add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce for a nicer color. Now continue to stir fry it until the sauce and the tomato are thoroughly mixed. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Adding sugar is optional as it depending on your tomatoes. If you have a sweet tomatoes, then you can omit the sugar. Or if you have a sourish tomato, you can add more sugar. Last, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Look at how beautiful the color of the tomato sauce now. The sauce is almost done. Now return the fried egg back into the wok. Do a quick stir to make sure the egg absorbs all the sauce. You can see now the egg are all covered with the tomato sauce. Finally, dish it out into a plate. Serve immediately with a bowl of white rice and enjoy. I hope you will like my video. Do subscribe to my channel and remember to press the bell so that you will be notified when I share my next video. Thank you for watching and happy cooking!